Everybody, it's me, the Gaming Pickle, and I'm here with another video today. And today in Brookhaven, I just found out the coolest bizarre secret ever. So, normally I make like either story or gameplay videos. I try to, but this time it's a lot different. So, first, I want to head to the lake house. You don't have to get the house, I'm just gonna get it just to save time. But we don't need the house right now. So, this weird secret is really weird. So, you wanna head over here. See, there's nothing. Nothing there. So, wanna know what you do? You want to head to the hospital. So, why'd I come to the lake? I just joined the server to show you guys. I literally just found this out like 10 minutes ago. Or even, no, like 5 minutes ago. I literally just found this out. I never thought I would ever find this. Yes, I've found my fair share of secrets in Brookhaven. I found criminal bases, I found hospital secrets, and abandoned military bases. Even the secrets inside of houses, but this one tops it all. So, you want to head over here into this secret room, government agent room in the hospital. If you need help, it's behind the x-ray showy thingy. Now, after you get past those wood planks, you want to look under the desk. There's a button, click it, and now you're in this strange room. Jump out of that weird bubble thing, you start to float. Just go to this bubble thingy. Oh wait, wrong bubble. Now, there's a riddle. Now, it says, seek the bottom of a hill to find the dirt that once was filled. Well, I think this is what it means. So you want to go back to this side, and underneath the shore is a way out. It transports you to the lake house. Now, back to the cave. Now, let me swim faster so you can. There's a glowing light. You start to see this weird dot thing. So, you want to swim over to it, and you don't have to run, you don't have to sprint, but it's faster. Now, you see these 3 claws. You want to click on it. Now it's an item. See? Item. Now, alright, so now that I got the house, this is the house you're going to want to get. This house. Not this one, this one. The weird 3 one thingy. So once you've gotten this house, you wanna get in. Now, many of you might know this secret, this tiny secret, but in the master bedroom, over by this laundry area, there's a way to get up on the racks. And once you do that, once you get up on the racks, there's a way for you to get in the ceiling area, like this. Now, I don't know, this is already a secret, but with these claws, it's matching the glowing. I found out these claws, found out that weird secret base, and knew about the secret pyramid with hashtags, pyramid here, just mind blowing. I don't know where to go after this, but I literally just found this out. If you want to see more crazy secrets, comment down below, and I'll make sure to find more secrets. So please like and subscribe to get this channel at least to 20 at the end of maybe 2022. I have no idea. the 3 blades, the glowing pyramid with hashtags, this weird mannequin thing. Just mind blowing. Hey, you also know about that weird physics-y riddle area, and you also, and since this video is only like 5 minutes 24 seconds right now, why not give it a bonus secret? So, alright guys, this secret not as crazy as this one, but this next secret is still really cool. I found this out a good while ago. So you wanna get to the police station. Don't know why, but I don't know why they hid it there. Probably because reasons. Alright, so you wanna park perfectly. You don't have to park, but you could just have to get to the police station. As you saw, I parked wonderfully. Not. Alright, so you wanna go into a cell. It could be either cell 1 or cell 2. Doesn't matter. So you see this vent, you want to hop in. See? There's cell 2. Cell 1's right here. Alright, so you want to get in and sprint. Now you want to hug the wall and then you'll just fall in. You just fall in the wall and then there's a passage with this weird government area. Now, you guys might have known about this, so this is a pretty normal secret, but the secret doesn't end there. There's a credit card. You wanna leave the police station. Now, you know how why'd I park here? Ooh, I got out of pretty quick. But you wanna head back to the lake house. Pretty bizarre, but you don't actually wanna go to the house. You wanna go this way through this tunnel. And then you'll see some satellites. I bet you guys like, oh, we know about this. Oh, you get the credit card, take it, and open up that weird facility thingy. The electrical place in Brookhaven. Brookhaven Electrical. Now you want to take up the credit card. You want to go in here. And you see this thing. So, take the password and you enter your username. My username, do not care. Alright, the correct username is, well, type in your username. This is my username, DillPickle122. So I enter it. Password approved. So if your username's like CoolGuy47, you type in CoolGuy47 or tap, yeah, and then, hey, yeah, click on it and screen. And there's a bunch more key cards, like, I could show you where one more key card is. I don't know if this key card means anything, but I'm gonna try to keep finding any secrets for you guys. Any secrets. Alright, so now, next time you play Brookhaven, make sure to check everything. And if you find anything cool, make sure to comment on this video or any of my Brookhaven videos. Or just comment on any of my Brookhaven videos. And I'll make sure to find your comment if comments are turned on. Alright, so now, the only other keycard I know is somewhere at the bank, and everyone knows this keycard. Everyone. Here's screen one. That's all the secrets I know, guys. Talk to you later. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and see you next time.